Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. So today I'm participating in a challenge which is being hosted by the most loveliest person in Australia that I've ever encountered. I just absolutely love her, and it is Chelles Glam Home. So she does amazing DIYs. She does shopping trips, which I love. I love watching shopping videos. And she shows us her hauls, and she always takes us on tours of her home. She is amazing. I love her. And she was one of the first people I started following when I first started my YouTube channel, and she's so sweet, warm, and I just love her. So anyway, when she announced that she was going to be doing a fall challenge, I was so excited. So this is Chelle's fall challenge, and she kept the rules very simple. So all we have to do is we couldn't spend more than $20 on our project, and we had to put a little bit of shell into it, which I think is so adorable. So I am so excited to show you what I was able to come up with, and yeah, stick around please. Thank you. Okay, so here are the materials that I'm going to be using. I have some Rust-Oleum, it's berry pink and pink, I think it's cotton candy pink, some white, I have some glitter, some Mod Podge, and just this little red solo cup just so I can mix everything together. And over here I have 5 feather boas, and I just kind of linked all those together. And I have this big old wreath form that I picked up from Beverly's Fabric, so that is $5 there, $5 for the boas, so that keeps me pretty much in check for this project. So that's $10. Here's a Dollar Tree pumpkin, so that was another $1. And the little pumpkins, they came 3 to a package from Dollar Tree, and I just painted those already, and I just threw some glitter on top of them, and that was it. That's all I used as far as that goes, and I just spray painted. So here I just had some tracing paper that I just literally put on top of my computer and traced out the design that I wanted, and I'm going to go ahead and just transfer that over to this little piece of cardboard. It's just for stability. I'm going to use some thumbtacks and my paintbrush. Okay, so I tied all 5 of mine together and made one great big huge feather boa, and it has like little loops at the very end of it, so it makes it easier. I thought it was easier that way anyway. You can do them all individually, or well, I just tied them. So I just started with a little thumbnail or thumbtack, and I just started whipping it all around. Okay, so I just kept doing that until I got to the very end of it. So again, all I did was use a thumbtack and just secured it in place and just kind of fluffed it all around and made sure it looked all pretty and fluffy and everything. So next I'm going to take my little painted pumpkins and just kind of lay them out to see where I want them, and play with them a little bit and see exactly where I want to place them. Okay, so I'm going to keep playing with that, but here's my little CC that or Coco Chanel that I just copied that right off of the computer. I just put my tracing paper right up there and I just copied it, and I'm just going to transfer it, just push down really hard with my pen onto a piece of cardboard, and I'm just going to simply cut it right out. Okay, so now that that's all cut out, I'm just going to use my Mod Podge to stick it in that little red cup. See how cute that is? Alrighty, I'm just going to take my Mod Podge and then just stick it in my little solo cup. And, well, you know how we Mod Podge. We just put it on there, and then we just put some glitter on top of it and make it all nice and pretty and sparkly. Okay, now it's all nice and pretty and sparkly. Woo-wee! Okay, so now on to the next part. So we know that Chelle loves her eyelashes, so I'm going to attempt to make some eyelashes on this little pink pumpkin, because I'm quite sure that she would appreciate it, since she is an eyelash girl, she's a glam girl. We like that about her, right? So yeah, I'm just going to try and do my best to freehand making some eyelashes. Okay, I'm just going to try and even them out the best I possibly can. I'm not a drawer, that's for sure, but hey, they turned out kind of cute. So at this point, I'm just going to take some more Mod Podge and give her some eyeshadow, some glittery eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go ahead and, well, I'm sorry, I'm not right exactly in the camera, but just going to try and give her some sparkly eyeshadow. Okay, so here's what we came up with. My little Chelle pumpkin, and I know that Chelle likes pink. I love pink. My house is in pink, and of course she likes Coco Chanel. So there's my little logo. Should have probably been a little bit larger and kept it in balance, but well, I think it looks really pretty. And of course, pair it up with my little Ross pumpkin. I think it looks so cute. Really like how it turned out. Everything turned out so pretty. So I like my little eyelash pumpkin so much I had to keep playing around with it. So here it is on my coffee table, which is some things that I picked up from HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. And I just think it looks so adorable. I just absolutely love it. I gave her some little feathery hairs, I guess you would say. And yeah, look how cute she is. So continuing to play, I put my wreath and my little pumpkin over here on my console table. This is my entry table when you first walk in the door, and I have all of my little pink accessories and stuff in here. I just think it looks so pretty. I just wanted to say thank you so much to Chelle for hosting this super fun collaboration or challenge. I really had a blast with it. I'm going to have a playlist in the description box. Please go check out the other participants so you can see their creativity as well. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that too. Thank you so much for watching.